Yeah, Mr. Lover, you know say I don't get wahala. Any how you like, I go.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I customized this frontal wig that was sent to me. Actually it's a 360 lace front wig and it was sent to me by Stema hair. I want to say a big thank you to Stema hair for being so patient with me for making this video, because a lot has been going on, but I finally got around to doing it. And I love this hair, you guys. It is gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys a before clip of what it looked like before I did all of this customization. And I can't even believe I was able to make this hair look like this, because honestly, frontals are something that I struggled with before. And I actually tried to do the bald cap method when I installed this. So yeah, I feel like I did a pretty good job, because in my opinion I'm a beginner and I feel like I did a pretty good job. So yeah, the hair was sent to me. It is a 360 lace front wig. It is a deep wave texture, I believe. I'll leave all the details on the screen as well as in the description box below. And like I said, it's 20 inches long, and this is about where it gets on me. It's like right on my boob area. This video is basically just going to be showing you guys how I customize the wig and how I lay it on my head and how I just style it to make it look like this. If you guys like to see all of that, definitely keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. It's the red button that says subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on my notifications so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the tutorial. Yay! I just did that in 4 minutes. That's record time. So as you guys can see, this wig did not look the best when it was first sent to me. Just look at my face in that clip, hilarious. But anyways, the first thing I'm going to be doing is bleaching the knots. So I'm just turning the wig backwards, like, or inside out, and I'm just going to like pin it to my mannequin head. My mannequin head has been through the most, you guys, but like let's just pretend. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this 30 volume developer as well as some bleach. I actually ended up using only like half of the one of the packs of bleach, but anyway, so you want to make your mixture really thick. I don't know if you guys can see in my brush. I actually lost the clip of where I turned the cup upside down, just so you guys can see that the bleach wasn't moving, because that's how thick I made it. And also when you're applying it to the lace, you want to be very careful. Don't press too much, because the idea of this is to bleach the knots that are right on the lace. If you press too hard, then you're going to end up bleaching the actual hair strands itself, and then you end up with blonde hair, and that's just going to look crazy. Okay, so I'm trying to just use my brush to reach all the edges, the sideburns and everything, and then I'm just going to put the bleach all over the hair. Like I said, put the tiniest amount of pressure. This clip is sped up so it might look like I'm putting pressure, but I really was trying not to even touch the lace at all. Like I really wanted to get this perfect, you guys, because I was really nervous. It was my first time working with a 360 lace frontal. But yeah, I went ahead and I washed it off, and you guys, I think I did a great job. Like, I'm gonna hype myself, I don't care. But yeah, the roots looked really natural. So now what I'm going to do is pluck the front, and I don't really have a particular method that I use. To be honest, I just tried to make the front look a bit more thin and realistic. I part some of the hair down and I just like pluck in between the strands of hair, and I basically just tried to make it look as natural as possible. So I just kept on plucking until it was natural enough for me. But when you're doing this, make sure you don't pluck in one spot for too long. As you can see, I keep moving. I just be moving, girl. I don't even stay in one place, because I don't want to end up with a bald spot. And after I'm done plucking, I just like brush it out just to see what it's looking like, if it's like plucked to my desired way I want it to look. And this looked pretty good to me. It looked really natural compared to the other side I had not plucked at all, and I was really happy with what it was looking like. So I just went ahead and I continued plucking the other side, and when I was done, that was all the hair I got from plucking. Yes, you're definitely going to lose hair from plucking your frontal. In case you don't know, you're plucking out the hair, so what do you expect? So that's all the hair I got. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do some baby hairs. To be honest, you guys, I don't really like that thick baby hair look that people be doing when they do their frontals, so I tried to make sure that mine looked like as natural as possible, and I think I made it look natural. You guys let me know down below in the comments, do you think this frontal looks natural or not? Like, I really want you guys to tell me the truth, because I want to have like honest feedback just so I can know what to do better next time. Do you guys think my baby hairs and everything look natural, or what do you guys think? Let me know down below. So after I was done, I just took some water and I took some conditioner and I just used that to kind of like define the hair and just get it set for the next day when I was going to wear it. And this hair is really soft, you guys. It tangles pretty nice. When you put water, all the curls just get activated. If you guys want an actual review on how the hair holds up, then let me know that in the comment section below, and I will come back with a sit down video and just let you guys know how I've been enjoying the hair. So this is what the hair looks like the next morning. I went ahead to do the bald cap method. Now you guys just pause. I've never done this thing before, that's why I did not film the process of doing it. But if I remember the video I watched, I will link it down below. If I don't, just Google or search on YouTube for the bald cap method, and you see a lot of YouTubers have done it. So that's basically what I did to try and install this wig, and it was my first time and I think I did a great job. So there I was just trying to cut off the lace on my head, but fully work, man. Like I was just going to end up cutting this hair anyhow. So I took it off and I cut it, and now I'm going to be using my Got2b gel. And this thing is almost done, not because I've been using it to lay frontals, because I really like using it to lay my edges. It stays for a very long time, so I trusted that it would actually keep my frontal down. So yeah, I'm just blow drying it on cool, and after blow drying it for a bit, I actually put the Got2b blasting free spray, and I'm just going to blow dry that as well. The idea is to kind of get this tacky. I think I did it for about 5 minutes. You actually have to do this for a bit, like it's not just something you do for 30 seconds. And after the glue got tacky, or the gel got tacky, I just laid down the front part of my hair, and I did this in sections. So I did the front first, and now I'm going to be doing my sides. Yeah, basically this is all I did, you guys. Like, to be honest, I'm still in shock, because just watching this video back, I can't even believe that I was able to get this frontal to look this nice. Like I said, I have struggled with a frontal before, so yeah, I was really happy that I was able to get this looking nice. Just look at my sideburns. Like, you guys, doesn't that look like it's my hair? Like, what the hell? Yeah, so when I was done, I took some makeup remover. This is just micellar water, and I put a Q-tip. I put a Q-tip in it, and I just used that to like wipe off all the like extra glue and gunk and everything on the edges. And I just went ahead and added some more baby hairs, and look at how natural that looks, you guys. So I tied it up, and after I took it down, you guys, just look at that. Look at that. Yes, melted. And I was so excited, you guys. Like, I'm gonna leave some clips just so you guys can see my honest reaction.
Oh my god, I can't even believe it. I was so scared that I wouldn't be able to do it.
But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. So I just brushed it out for some volume, and I'm pretty much done, you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. I want to know how you guys think I did in the comment section below. Please tell me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.